Welcome to Week 1. Alabama Weeklies will guide you through this course. This week we will discuss geography, large cities, and natural resources. We will first discuss important areas like DeSoto Park and Bucks Pocket State Park, natural resources that the state has to offer. Let's take a look at Alabama's geography. There are many diverse landforms and waterways. If you look at the map, you can see waterways to the bottom, and to the top you see mountains. Waterways are important in Alabama. If you look at the Cahaba River, this is an important transportation mode for our economy. It helps us to trade materials. There are many different waterways that lead to basins or travel through the state. We will talk about basins and tributaries. Another large waterway in Alabama is the Tennessee Valley River. The Tennessee River is one of the largest rivers, and the Tennessee Valley provides hydroelectric power through the TVA, or the Tennessee Valley Authority. Some of the major cities in Alabama include Birmingham, Huntsville, Mobile, Montgomery, and Tuscaloosa. You can see these on the map. There are different geographic areas. There are 5 that we will discuss in this course: the Highland Rim, the Cumberland Plateau, Alabama Valley and Ridge, the Piedmont Upland, and the East Gulf Coast Plain. Each of these has different characteristics. Some have better soil, some have better waterways, mountains. What area do you live in? The Highland Rim is the smallest and northernmost region. If you look at some of the resources, they have limestone. The Cumberland Plateau is pretty flat-topped but higher elevation. They have coal. The Tennessee Valley is sort of zigzag ridges if you look at the picture, and it's between the mountains. Birmingham would be considered the Tennessee Valley and Ridge region, and there's a lot of iron ore. Piedmont Upland is flat, and it's more in the south, and it's known for marble, and even they had gold there at one time, but not enough to make it worthwhile. The East Gulf Coast Plain is the largest region in Alabama. It's a flat area of land, and it has oil and gas. So if you think of that, you think of Mobile, perhaps. Then we have what's called a fall line. If you take a look at this map, the red line indicates the fall line, which is the dividing line between the 2 different regions, the uplands and the lowlands. Some of the important vocabulary that you might want to look over for this week include basin, river system, plateau, ridge, valley, fall line, Piedmont Upland, East Gulf Coastal Plain, Tennessee Valley and Ridge, Cumberland Plateau, and Highland Rim.